In this video, we will discuss a special type of passive anti-theft system, PATS, that is commonly used by Ford in work trucks and vans. In these systems, your key might not have a plastic end for a transponder, but that doesn't mean the truck is not equipped with a PATS. After installing a new Powertrain Control Module or PCM, you will still need to reset the anti-theft system to allow the vehicle to start and run. Follow the instructions provided in this video in the order they are given, and your truck or van should start with no issues. 1. Connect the scan tool with built-in PATS functionality to the OBD2 port. 2. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. 3. Use the scan tool to access the PATS system. This step takes about 10 minutes, and once it's done, you'll see a menu of programming options. 4. Select Parameter Reset from the menu. 5. Follow the prompts on your scan tool to finish the procedure. 6. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. 7. Insert the key back in and attempt to start the vehicle. Thanks for continuing with us on this Ford PATS informational course. Click the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. And don't forget to visit AREStechnologies.com for all your module needs.